Hey guys, Ronnie Soud here. Today I have an awesome LinkedIn tip for all of you. Okay, so if you are a B2B company, meaning you sell products and services to other businesses, this is especially important for you. So on everyone's personal profile, there is a LinkedIn section called Featured. And what they are encouraging you to do is post limited but really high value, good quality content there. So it could be a portfolio, it could be posts, it could be an article, it could be, a video, what have you. But what you should be doing is creating what I've seen work best is creating one really awesome slideshow. Okay, people up on LinkedIn really engage heavily with slideshows, which is like a PowerPoint that you're able to upload into LinkedIn. So, and it's kind of the equivalent of an Instagram swipe, but it's 100 times better. So what you should be doing, make a really great slideshow that encompasses what your company is all about, but also educates users on something cool about your industry in your business, specifically within it. All right. Make that, post it up to your company page, but also allow your employees to post it up on their profiles. That's a way to give that content piece a lot of legs, right? And what they're going to do is they're going to post it in the featured section of their personal profile. When they do this, it gets prominent placement. And when people go and check out their profiles, that section, that content piece is very easily viewable. Okay, this is extremely important if your employees really help you to prospect and nurture new business. Okay, getting you all up on the same page and having a nice content piece in that featured section to get your brand identity and start to get the company's brand voice out there is extremely, extremely important. And it's an awesome way to let your employees help find and grow new business for the company. So encourage them to do so. Be a yes on LinkedIn. And guys, I think you'll really love this tip. Oh, one little caveat to that. Make the slideshow awesome, okay? Don't throw something together real quick to just see if it works. Put some thought and time into it and make an awesome slideshow that can be shared, that others will find valuable. So don't just be braggadocious about your company. Flex your knowledge and your education muscles on what you do a little bit in there, and also start to give them a little window into how you do business and your company philosophy. All right. Hope you guys found this helpful. If you have questions or comments, leave them below. I'm happy to reach out. Would love to talk about this with you further. Thanks a lot.